Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired absolutely superb Mercedes Sport Estate. As you see, it's got the front park distance control. The colour is more blue than silver. It's a light metallic silvery blue. Got rear park distance control. I believe this does have a reverse camera as well. The bodywork is absolutely amazing. It's in fantastic condition. Been really well looked after. Electric tailgate. Boot area, as you can see, has been well looked after, in lovely condition. We've got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather interior with the white stitch piping. Again, all in lovely condition. One thing to look out for on Mercedes is usually the seat base bursts, and this is in absolutely superb condition. No wear on the bolster either. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. We've got auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Just start it up. All lights come on and go off. Mileage just over 93,000 miles. Got satellite navigation, reverse camera and tracking, full media pack, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music, climate control, different driving styles, iDrive system, centre armrest here. So we've got an AUX in there as well, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.